Weebly is a website building solution that supports over 50 million websites. But is it right for you? We seek to answer that question as we cover the most important things you should consider before purchasing a software tool, including pros and cons, pricing, and features. If you're already a Weebly customer, tell us what you think of the product in the comments below, and if you're new here, hit the like and subscribe button to be notified of our future software reviews. Weebly offers a robust free plan that lets you create an effective website and run a small e-commerce business. Its mobile app allows you to manage your e-commerce store on the go. Also, Weebly includes dashboards that display your traffic and sales information graphically. On the other hand, Weebly does not offer key SEO tools such as sitemaps and web page indexing. It also does not let you display your most recent blog posts on your homepage, and PayPal is only accepted in its most expensive plans. Weebly's pricing ranges from $6 to $26 per month. It offers both website and e-commerce plans. Weebly also includes a free plan, but you cannot connect a custom domain. Weebly includes a drag-and-drop builder that lets you customize your website's design. Overall, Weebly's website builder is simple, easy to use, and is accessible to beginner website creators. Weebly lets you create your website from scratch or use a theme. You can add 28 different kinds of site elements, including images, buttons, YouTube videos, code, a search bar, and files. Unfortunately, HD videos and audio are only included in paid plans. Weebly also lets you include custom HTML. This feature is easy to use, but best for simple coding changes. For example, you can use this feature to insert elements not available in Weebly. In addition to building a website, you can use Weebly to run your e-commerce business. Weebly offers key e-commerce features including inventory management, order management, payments, tax calculations, shipping rate calculations, and abandoned cart recovery. Once you've created and marketed your website, it's important to understand how your website is performing. Weebly offers a dashboard for your traffic and sales, which you can use to monitor your site to help you make website improvements that increase engagement. Weebly's traffic dashboard allows you to monitor and evaluate your website's traffic based on number of page views, unique views, and average pages per unique visit. The traffic dashboard presents data graphically, allowing you to easily compare data points as well as review your top active pages, referring websites, and search terms in separate dashboards. Weebly's sales dashboard is more inclined towards users who have created an e-commerce store with Weebly. You can view sales information, such as top items by sale and sales per visit, as well as compare sales and orders graphically. Overall, Weebly is one of the most user-friendly solutions that we tested. We recommend it especially for beginner website creators and e-commerce store owners who want to build a simple website and manage their small business. If you want a highly customizable website builder that can support beginner website builders, then we recommend also looking into Wix. If you want the best website builder for design and showing off visual work, then we recommend looking into Squarespace. If you want an intuitive website builder that also offers higher quality digital marketing features, then we recommend looking into GoDaddy. If you are a designer or experienced website creator and want the most creative control over your website's design, then we recommend looking into Webflow. If you want a website builder that gives you full control over the functionality of your website, we recommend looking into WordPress. If you're interested, you can try Weebly today by clicking the link in the description. Do you agree with the recommendation for Weebly? We would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below, and if you enjoyed our content, please like and subscribe.